Killings will get up throughout the night and go to their bedrooms and check on them. He'll go to my son's room, and then he goes into the girls' room. And then he'll go back to my son's room and hop into bed with him. He's so gentle with our kids. They kind of incorporate him into whatever they're playing. He'll just lay down by him, lets them do whatever they want to him. He's such a good dog. And if he can't get to the kids, he'll just sit there and whine until we open the door for him. He's pretty much grown up with all of our kids. We hear him walking around all night, doing his rounds. And he's loud. He just does it. It's really cute, actually. I was like, we're ready to get another dog.
Baby, wait.
Puppy's like, what?
That's my toy.
This dog is hyper, but Killian just lets them jump all over him, lets him bite his ears, lets him bite his tail. He just plays all day long.
Come on, stay.
He jumped on you? He's a boy. He's a boy, huh? Killian's really comfortable with this puppy.